Meet the ILIFE T10s, a robotic vacuum and mop combo designed to bring powerful, smart, and truly hands-free cleaning into your home. With strong suction, self-emptying technology, and intelligent LiDAR navigation, this robot takes the hassle out of daily floor care. Let's start with one of its biggest highlights, the self-emptying station. After each cleaning, the T10s automatically empties its dustbin into the station using a 20,000 pascals dust collection system. This means you won't need to touch dirt or dust for up to 60 days, giving you true hands-free cleaning convenience. When it comes to cleaning power, the T10s is equipped with 4,000 pascals suction strength, making it more than capable of lifting dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. And thanks to automatic carpet suction boost, it instantly increases power when moving from tile or hardwood onto rugs and carpets, ensuring a deep and thorough clean every time. Navigation is handled by its smart LiDAR system, which scans your home in real time to create accurate maps. The T10s supports up to 5 multi-level maps, so whether you live in a multi-story house or have separate cleaning zones, the robot can adapt easily. Through the companion app, you can fully customize your cleaning preferences, set schedules, adjust suction, and even define no-go zones for different rooms and floors. Mopping is another standout feature. The T10s uses a Y-shaped cleaning path, which mimics manual scrubbing with a left and right motion. This ensures better stain removal and wider coverage compared to straight-line mopping, making it a more effective solution for kitchens and dining areas. Battery life is also impressive. With its large capacity battery, the T10s can clean homes up to 3,500 square feet in a single run. And if the battery runs low mid-cleaning, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes right where it left off. In daily use, the T10s also proves to be furniture and pet-friendly. Its built-in anti-collision and anti-drop sensors prevent accidental bumps and falls, while the powerful suction and tangle-free design make it especially well-suited for homes with pets. For control, you can use the ILIFE app to manage maps and settings, or connect it to voice assistants for simple voice commands. This gives you complete flexibility whether you prefer tapping on your phone or just telling it what to do. Overall, the ILIFE T10s is a strong, reliable, and convenient robot vacuum and mop. With its self-emptying dock, 4,000 pascals suction, intelligent mapping, and long runtime, it delivers both performance and peace of mind. If you're looking for a smart cleaning companion that keeps your floors spotless with minimal effort, the T10s is definitely worth a closer look.